What's up, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy, Mr. Raw, coming at you with a how I install my backup camera by using a switch. Okay, as you know, and you've been following, I have a wall here. So that makes it hard for me to see backing up, just using my rearview mirrors, which, that works out pretty good though, but I just still want to be able to see a little bit better. So I decided to purchase this here little backup camera I found on eBay for $12.99. It's got the infrared LED lighting, low lighting LEDs, and yeah. So you just take it and you just mount it to your tag plate, and run your wires and stuff, and I'll show you how I'm gonna install it. So right here, I'm making me some wire because I'm gonna put my backup camera on a switch. So I'm making this extended wire so I can run it to my switch. And right now I'm just splicing wires together using, of course, the connector, the little connectors, squeezed it together with my pliers here, and put me some heat shrink on here. Trying to get that nice clean finish. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be going ahead and preparing my wires before I actually go out here and start laying it down inside the truck and wiring everything up. So I have everything I can need on it. Okay, there you go. Alright. Okay, I've removed my radio already. Well, I got to come up through with the video wire. As you can see right here, I have my little clothes hanger going down through here, and I got it attached to the wire to be pulled up through. Get back a little bit. Well, there you go. Got that pulled through there. Now, all I have to do now is just take the wire out. Kind of hard to do this with my hand. Okay. Alright, got that out so I can get my wire out. Good. Take it. Find on the back of my radio. Camera in. This would be this one right here. Go in here. To camera in. Now that'll give me a signal to the head unit. Now, with the rest of the wire, I'll run it up in here, zip tied. Zip tied so it won't be hanging everywhere up under here. Come around down through here. I gotta pop these off. Just pull these off on here. Come around here on this one. Pull that off. Get my wire ran back. I'll turn it back on right quick. Okay. I'm underneath the truck here. And as you can see, I have my little, let me try to do this without knocking down the camera, but I drilled a hole on the inside with my hole saw so I can get my video jack through it. Video cable, now I'm gonna try to pull it through. I don't know if it's coming. It's always kind of, you know, a little touchy sometimes. Hold on. There we go. There we go. You're getting that. There it is. The clothes hanger is good to use. Ouch. Hit my head. Uh-oh, dropped the phone. Alright, but, okay. I'll cut you back off. And now, I did the reverse order for the switch power wire. I'm going to pull that up through here. Uh-oh. Don't got it. Okay. As you can see, got the camera installed. No wires hanging. I zip tied my wires underneath the truck. Got all the running pieces back on the sides. Well, I got my wire going down through here at, got it back in. Got it all zipped up under there. No wires hanging. Let me just show you. I got it switched here, as you can see. Got my 3 switches. This is for my fans. This is for my voltmeter. And this one is for my backup camera. Let's see how she works. Go over here, right there, hit camera, no signal, hit my switch, there it is. She's right here. And that right there gonna come in handy so I can make sure I don't hit nothing. Plus, when I'm at a show, I can play music with this thing and still have the camera going to view the monitor. So, you know, I can't see back there no way, so I can kind of see, you know, people behind the truck. Let me get my homegirl. Homegirl, go back there and see. See, got people on the truck. Alright. Alright then. That's it for now. So that's how I did it. I'll be back at you later with something else.